Dr. Wendy. And this is my friend Porter, and this is my assistant Valerie. Today we're here to demonstrate how to take your dog's temperature. In some cases, it may be necessary to have that information. Your dog can sometimes display unusual symptoms such as lethargy, lack of appetite, coughing, sneezing, just general signs of infection, in which case you would call your veterinarian. Your veterinarian may ask for a body temperature, which you can very easily perform at home if you know how to do it. Never rely on just outside observations such as their nose or their ears, whether they're warm or they're cold or they're dry or the nose is dry, because none of that is really accurate. You really do need an actual body temperature to decipher whether they have a fever or not. So what you'll need to do this is some lubricant or petroleum jelly. You may also want some gloves because it can get kind of messy, and a rectal thermometer. I prefer a digital thermometer because they do tend to read quicker and there's no mercury in them, so that's a little bit safer. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm just going to slip on a glove real quick, and I'm going to grab my thermometer, just going to roll it in a generous amount of lubricant. With one of my hands, I'm going to pull up the tail. Porter does not have much of a tail, and I'm just going to look for the rectal opening that's usually right below the tail. I'm just going to take the temperature. It's always good to have a helper like I have Valerie here to help hold your dog in a standing position because it's very difficult to do this laying down. Just be a few seconds. Like I said, mine is finished. And Porter's temperature here is 101.9. Just a word about body temperatures in dogs and cats. They are much higher than humans. So 101.9 is actually very normal. Anything up to 102.5 is actually considered normal, especially in an excitable dog or an excitable cat. Numbers like 103, 104, especially in a dog that's comfortably resting, is definitely considered a fever, in which case you would again want to alert your veterinarian and probably bring them in for a visit so they can be taken care of properly. Also, subnormal body temperatures, such as anything under 99 degrees, can actually also be evidence of severe illness or early shock, at which case you would also want to contact your veterinarian regarding that. And that's really all there is to it. Of course, I'm going to praise Porter for being such a good helper for us today. And I hope you found this helpful. Thank you.